Yo, we just finished recording a video and I have to re-record because I accidentally showed my address. I didn't realize on this. Basically, two things happened today. I'm just gonna speed through these. If you got very bad meta glasses, usually it wouldn't matter, but these are investments, so I want to start making more videos with these online, social media, and hopefully that can take me like some side profits. Obviously, not my trading profits. Trading comes, I mean, it doesn't like come before stuff, but whatever. Second thing was we finally took out our payout, right? We got like able to take out a payout, but we actually just requested the payout, which is really, really great because now we can start trading on our XFA again. Took me a minute to get that. Um, just had to get like some tax forms. So I got those. It's requested. Hopefully they'll process it over the weekend, and then I can trade it tomorrow. And then yeah, yeah, I'll trade two accounts for the first time tomorrow. I mean Monday. Um, so long as there's not too much news, let's just see. Just today, yeah, there was no news today. It was a really good day. Monday we have about no news. Then definitely not a day to trade. The second day, because there's non-formal employment. Um, that's really all that's important here. CPI on Thursday. That's brutal. 2 days out of the five not to trade. Kind of crazy. My mom might come up. That would be a little bit embarrassing. I'd kill myself. Here we go. So we're starting out the day. I already marked these because I went through this video already. Kind of brutal. They accidentally showed my home address. We got this. Pretty cool, pretty cool. It's a daily sweep. I'm gonna go to Hey, are you going out for good? Yeah. Do I sound crazy? Mom, I love you. Brutal. Okay, so let's get back into this. So daily sweep, go down the 15 minute. Then you notice some SMT divergence. Yeah, I already have these marked out. It's pretty normal. You could trade on either of these. I do know the price action, like not the price action, but the what's it's worth each cons for NQ more. So I'm just looking at that. Obviously this would have occurred, by the time I woke up because it's like 6 a.m. This is Asian sweep, like Asian gets swept. I double checked and it wasn't swept by London. It was just in between, or I don't know. It was pre-session, pre-London session. So London's about like right here. This little move down gets completely swept. I think that might be an hourly too. So a little bit significant, not too significant. I won't say it's like the make or break. I don't know about this. I'm gonna double check this. Yeah, it definitely gets more significantly swept up. Um, oh yes, but no, it's not equal highs. It's swept. So we see a move down in London session, move up. Literally pre-New York session, 15 minute, it goes up. I saw the sweep, right? I was like, boom, it swept. There's I want to say this. It kind of dived into, no, I'm coping. No, it wasn't coping. It was a good shit. Are you going up? Mom? Are you going up? Alright, I love you. Yeah, so we're in this for value gap. It's just another confluence among the rest. We sweep this, and then there's obviously a 30-minute retrace. But if you want to say 5 minutes, say your 5 minute, right? And at times like this, I used to pray for times like this. They run like this. I will look for a 5 minute inverse instead of a 1 minute, because if you look closely in here, you'll see a hoop ton of 1 minute inverses. I mean breaker structures is what I was referencing. That it kind of just doesn't like super follow. Like I would say, like here, break structure here. So you'd expect it not to go back up, but it does. But on that 5 minute, the second we see a real 5 minute breaker structure, right? So boom here. This is kind of make or break, but you can't take at 9. So I just literally like I lit the second market opened. I took their shorts. Like I took shorts here. So personally, I'm not even gonna lie. I kind of full ported a teensy bit, right? Because I only needed like 30 points to make 1500. I'm not gonna explain. I'm not even gonna explain why. So I kind of had it like this. Um, I literally immediately had it. I was done. But a real trade, like a genuine trade to take, would be honestly I would wait a little bit. You could, like, if you didn't want to, like, not wait, go here. The fair value gap's just about like right here. Um, it might like retrace in the fair value gap, but we already got it retrace here. Um, but what you could do honestly is wait for a another 5 minute retrace because it dead sweep here. So you sweep. Um, if you're like really just a hopeful person, just wait for it to go up a little bit, and then you see another breaker structure on the downwards. So blah blah blah. You take shorts. You take it like here, here, or you could honestly, if you wanted to, try and take it over here. Just depends on where your entry is, but the main idea is you just put it above here. You can't really get stumped out today. Any liquidity point is just amazing. Some people go crazy, right? They said, "Hey, bro, I'm actually him. I'm targeting this," like a crazy fucker, right? I did mention in previous videos. I called this out. I said we are going to go down. I hope the point 0.5. I hope we're gonna touch it. I don't know if we're gonna touch it. This is a huge sweep, and if we're value gap, we might not even get to the point 0.5, which would be fine. Um, just wait for like a 4 hour daily break structure bullish, and we'll know. But like I called it, we're going down big time, and just within this, how long was this? Within this hour 40 minute, you could have taken a huge trade. Which this is $8,000 personally on one call. Well, I'm not saying personally, but yeah, $8,000 to con this, 1,600, and you're risking what? What are you risking? $1,000 with one con. It is an ARR. That's insane. Insane fucking trade. For like best would be like this is what I marked out. It's a 4. Pretty good, I think. Crazy PA today. That's really all there is to it. That's what I had marked out. There was no news. We have this news. I don't know if I already went through this. It might have been on the first video that I have to record. And so yeah, so we did take profit today. We made money on this. Taking out on the XFA. We'll be trading Monday. I think I already said this. So you'll definitely hear from me on Monday because there's no news. I'll at least like point out like what I'll at least analyze the day if I don't take a trade. Good chance I'm taking a trade though Monday. We might be bullish, might be bearish. There's like I don't think there's any way to tell. Without a confirmation, we're still bearish, but honestly, I have no clue. We're in a fair value gap right now, and this is a daily sweep too. So there's just nothing you can kind of confirm here. Oh no, hopefully Sunday, Asian and London, we can see where the market's gonna try and move. That's it for this recap. Honestly, it was a pretty quick one. I think most of mine are gonna be quick. I don't know how Ryan talks for so long. RJ trades. Um, but I think I went through everything. The the bias was on. Everything was good. Everything was really good for setups for shorts today. People who called longs, quit trading. Um, and then that's about it. Pretty fun. All right, see ya.